Since 1985, supporting advances in science, education, and the arts towards a fairer, more just society. More information is available at SciSimsFoundation.org. And from listeners like you who donate to this NPR station.
This is All Things Considered from NPR News. I'm Sarah McCaffin. And Australia's government has just finished up an investigation into this year's devastating